Todd, your window wells are filling up. It looks like an aquarium from the inside of your basement. There's goldfish swimming by. That's not a good thing.
Generally not. And having water fill up in a window well like that can bring a lot of water into your basement in a very, very short period of time. Some of the very basic stuff that a homeowner can do is make sure that they got their eaves and downspouts on, moving the water away and not depositing it in the window well, and making sure the grading is there and moving the water away and not allowing it to just fill the window well as well. Some general maintenance for a homeowner though is to make sure that your window wells are free and clear of debris, making sure that the vertical drain in there is free and clear and accepting water. Now, vertical drains weren't introduced until the later 80s. Anything pre that will not have vertical drains. Those are what we install into window wells that will deal with that water building up in the window well.
When it comes to your home, protect what matters most. Visit shieldfoundationrepair.ca.